let's go.
Where are we going?
We're going to the nearby what is it called? A drone park.
Yes.
It's one of the few places in New York City that allows you to fly.
There's only 5 parks that allow you to fly drones here. So it's 7:21 and we're trying to beat the sunset.
Oh God. ETA 7:40. But there's no traffic.
Yeah, that's good. Oh,
Yep.
7:34 ETA.
Yep.
Nice.
So this is a DJI Mavic Air 2. We bought it the day the 2S came out.
Yes, we
Yep.
did.
We bought it used, but it's pretty much brand new.
It's new. Oh, the plastic wrap was all on it.
Yep, everything was sealed, brand new. Came with 3 batteries.
Yay!
Let's go.
Oh, okay, let's go. My mask too. Whoa, so pretty. Look at the sunset.
Let's go by the water.
Okay. Whoa. So pretty.
I think this is a good place to roller skate, bike as well. There's a big path along the water.
Oh, I like that.
Come on, my fiance.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's really nice. Ah, it's wet.
Oh no.
Ah.
Oh no.
This is the drone. It's a Mavic Air 2. It was the newest drone as of last week.
Ben needs a haircut. I'm gonna cut it for him tonight.
Excuse my look. So I'll leave it here. What else do I need? We need a controller. This thing. So there's these little, what is this called? Joystick. The joysticks are hidden under. We need your phone.
My phone. It knows that we are in Flushing Meadows Corona Park.
You know there's no one around, right? I don't have to wear a mask.
Nobody around. All this field for us to play with our new toy. Whoa, that's so beautiful.
This is a Mavic Air
2? The first one.
I'm just showing everybody.
Oh,
This is
okay.
the newest one now. There's a Mini. Mini is nice. Oh yeah, the Mini would have been a nice option, but the Air just... It's like the MacBook Air, you know? The one that you bought recently.
Yeah. Let's go.
We're gonna take off. Let's go.
Woo! Bye bye.
That's amazing.
Bye. Wow, that's so beautiful.
Yeah. And through
Beautiful sunset.
New York
we
City,
made
Queens.
it. Wow.
Let's fly back towards us.
Okay, you could do return to home too.
Let's see if we can find us.
It's coming. It's like a little dot in the sky. Okay, I see it now. I actually see the. The battery goes down really quickly.
Oh, right
when
there.
the drone-
Oh.
cute!
Cute. Come to Papa. Come on now.
Come on! Oh, yeah. So smart. Wow. That's fun.
Well, that was fun.
It was very windy.
Yeah, that was worth it.
Yeah, it was. We got the sunset.
We gotta find some cows next time.
We'll go to Forest Park next time.
Yeah.
Or Staten Island.
Oh, I'm excited to fly more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, let's head back.
Okay, let's go.
Thanks for watching.